Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Corona Render versus Blender. We'll dive into what makes each of these powerful tools unique in the world of three-dimensional visualization. My goal is to help you understand their core functionalities, highlight their individual strengths, and guide you in determining which software best aligns with your creative workflow and project requirements. Whether you're focused on photorealistic rendering or a complete three-dimensional content creation suite, this comparison will provide valuable insights. Corona Render truly shines with its intuitive workflow and exceptional photorealism, making it a favorite for architectural and product visualization. As an unbiased, CPU-based renderer, it delivers incredibly accurate lighting and material interactions, ensuring predictable results. Features like its interactive rendering provide instant feedback, while Light Mix allows you to adjust lighting scenarios after the render is complete, saving valuable time. It's designed for artists who prioritize stunning visual quality and a straightforward user experience within their existing three-dimensional software. Blender stands out as a complete, open-source three-dimensional creation suite, encompassing everything from modeling and sculpting to animation and rendering. It offers incredible versatility, powered by its two robust render engines: Cycles, known for its photorealistic capabilities, and Eevee, which provides stunning real-time results. Being free and community-driven, Blender boasts a vast ecosystem of resources, making it accessible and adaptable for diverse projects, whether you're crafting intricate visual effects or developing interactive game assets. When deciding between Corona Render and Blender, consider your primary focus. If your workflow centers on achieving top-tier photorealistic renders, particularly within host applications like three-dimensional Max, Corona's specialized approach is highly effective. However, if you require a comprehensive, free, and open-source suite for all aspects of three-dimensional creation, from modeling to animation and rendering, Blender is an unparalleled choice. Your decision should align with your project's scope, existing software ecosystem, and whether you prefer a dedicated renderer or an integrated solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.